if you want to see me do this look, please keep watching.
Hello stranger, it's been a minute since we last kicked.
Hello. Oh, stress. I'm gonna clip my hair back because I can't stand having my hair on my face. Okay. Do I have everything? Probably not. There's probably something missing, and I'm gonna run out and be like, oh, I need this, because that's just who I am. First of all, you're gonna moisturize your face, because if it's dry, then it's dry. Wow. I just did it like men. Don't do that. I think I might set my eyebrow first and then make my way around. Don't mind the background noise because everybody seems to make noise when I'm recording. So I'm gonna use my Maybelline foundation. I'm not even gonna show you because it's partially empty. Where's my brushes? Where are my brushes? You know what? It's fine. We'll just use this one. We'll just use this brush. I'm slightly tanned at the moment, so this is my usual shade. If it makes me look too pale.
Hello guys.
Guess who decided to disturb me?
Well, what do you do if you have to pee so badly? There's only one bathroom.
Go to the neighbor's house.
Okay. Look at my hair. I did it all on my own. Just kidding. The one and only stylist, Tisha T, who likes alone time. All right, goodbye.
I'm gonna use my concealer to brighten my face as well. Just gonna add a bit more here. I'm gonna do sort of like a cat eye, so I'm gonna pull this up. It looks like I haven't done anything. Wow. Is that a good thing? And I'm gonna use some pressed powder by Collection. I actually need a new powder because before it creases, because if it creases, oh my god, I'm gonna lose it. But then I'm gonna sort of like rub it on my face because I hate that wet foundation feeling. It's just not for me. The good thing is though that my face does look quite normal-ish. That's a lie. If someone walked in here, they'll be like, where's the rest of your face? I'm like, I don't know. Makes sense. We're gonna go in with a darker shade. It's Hollywood Contour Wand by Charlotte Tilbury as well. This is like a darker, see, now that is contour. Wow. We don't want it to be like, we want it to be like, you know. Ooh. I don't know what look I'm going for today in terms of like face. Do you sometimes feel like you have to do your face first before you know your outfit or hair? Oh my gosh, I have to match my hairstyle with my clothes. What is that? Glitter. Where did I get glitter from? I don't own anything with glitter. We shall make it work. Now that you look insane, you're gonna get the rest of the powder on this brush and sort of like tap it in. So then it blends real good. Cool. Eyebrows. Actually, tell a lie. Wrong way. we're gonna do some blush. We're gonna use the Glowgasm Beauty Light Wand by Charlotte Tilbury's arm. Yeah. I like to do this thing where I sort of like put the blush across my nose. So I have this like, I'm cold kind of look. And I just pop a little bit over here. Trust the process, people. Trust the process. Wonderful. Wonderful. Now we're gonna do our eyebrows. I'm using the Build a Brow by, I think, L'Oreal. L'Oreal? Definitely L'Oreal. Looks like a L'Oreal packaging. Feels like a... No, it's Maybelline. We're gonna do our eyebrows since we don't have any. Her theme is smart casual, so I'm gonna wear some jeans with some heels. My toes ain't done. I think it's like a 10-minute drive from here. It's currently 8. Party starts at 9. I didn't want to put my shirt on to do my makeup because if makeup falls on the shirt, like, see, I've already got like powder on my shirt. Okay, eyebrows. Oh, heck, like my personality. I'm like in between 2 eye looks. I want to do an eyebrow slip. Make me swim, make me do 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 do, make me lose my breath, make me do 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 do. I think it will look cool. Let's do this. I'm gonna get some concealer. I'm gonna get an angled, not an angled brush, just like a normal flat brush. I look like I have an eyebrow slit anyways because my eyebrows don't exist. So. Gente, você tá no vídeo se você quiser entrar. I did my slit, guys. Oof. Honestly, I'm that type of person that will just do what makes me happy. If someone's like, oh my god, that's for like, oh my gosh, it's for gay people. I'm like, okay. Now what? Now what? You know? Hair dots underneath my eyes. I can't do this like here, so bear with me. Trust the process. It will come together. It will come together. I'm gonna do my wispies from Morphe. Sorry. Allure. No? Let's see which one is working. Because you know how like glues just be dying out of... Yep, it's working. Don't know, Frankie, what's going on here? Don't even ask me if I'm normal because I ain't. In the meantime, I'm going to put my mascara on. It's Monsieur Big by Focus by Lancome. We're gonna go for a nude lip, by the way. A nude sort of like glossy lip. We're gonna add the lashes first and then we're gonna do our bottom lashes, because if I start and it rubs at the bottom, I'm starting over. One second, I can't do this. I need to be real close. Hold on. Do I want to go the easy way and just put my extensions in, put the hair down? Or do I want to do the half up and half down? Make my life a little bit complicated, but worth it. T, stop talking rubbish. Okay, let's head out. I'm ready now.